Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 10,000 watt electric start tri-fuel home backup portable generator with CO Shield. This unit runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas straight out of the box, and includes a propane hose and 25-foot natural gas hose kit. With a reliable Champion 500cc engine, providing up to 10,000 running watts, this unit is perfect whenever you need a reliable source of power. Champion's EZ Start Dial gives you access to all the controls you need, and the convenient electric start takes the confusion out of starting an engine. For added peace of mind, this generator utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your generator's operating area. And during an emergency, it's good to have options for fuel, so next time there's a power outage, you can run this unit on gasoline, propane, or your home's natural gas supply to power all your major household appliances and keep you out of the dark. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the engine. Connect the battery. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. Connect your propane. Or connect your natural gas supply. And select the fuel source. Start the generator. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 10,000 watt natural gas ready tri-fuel generator. Portable, versatile, and dependable.